In Los Angeles, America's power seems unable to stop the huge fire. Prisoners are helping firefighters, with around 1,000 of them trying to put out the flames. Experts say no water in the world can control this fire. The fire has been burning for 5 days and is still hard to stop. Over 12,000 homes have been destroyed. Hollywood stars and other rich people are now out on the streets, while Hollywood hotels have been turned into shelters. On one side, the fire is spreading, and on the other, there's a snowstorm. America is facing both fire and snow. What do you think about America's situation? Share your opinion in the comments.